gosh, I can't even hardly open the door. One thing for sure, with a hurricane, the air is nice and fresh. Now, here's our urinal. Got a couple of rolls of toilet paper here. Definitely could hear the wind blowing through here. Not bad enough to shake it. We have a hook. Couple of rolls of toilet paper, looks like. Now I can feel some movement. And definitely a gross porta potty here. Oh boy, is that nasty. I think some flies just came out here too. Gross. You can really hear the wind whipping up.